Life membership subscription. Generally, the members are required to make the payment in a lump sum only once, which enables them to become the members for whole of the life. Life members are not required to pay the annual membership fees. As life membership fees is a substitute for annual membership fees, therefore, it is desirable that life membership fees should be credited to a separate fund and fair proportion be credited to income in subsequent years. In the examination question, if there is no instruction as to what proportion be treated as income, then whole of it should be treated as capital. Calculate the amount transferred to income and expenditure account and balance sheet for each of the 3 years. Six, sale of old assets. It is a non-recurring item. It cannot be taken to income and expenditure account. It leads to reduction in asset. Therefore, it is shown by way of deduction from the concerned asset. It is important to note that it is the book value that is to be deducted from asset. Profit or loss in such a case is taken to income and expenditure account. Where the book value of asset is nil, the entire proceeds of sale be treated as income. 7. Honorarium. Persons may be invited to deliver lectures, or artists may be invited to give their performance by a club, for its members. Any money paid to invitees is termed as honorarium and not salary. Such honorarium represents expenditure and will be debited to income and expenditure account. 8. Bar profit/refreshment profit/shop profit. In some questions, bar purchases inventory on credit, so suppliers' opening and closing balances will be provided in question, then purchases will be calculated as credit purchases equals payment to suppliers plus closing payables, opening payables.